Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with JC, and today I want to drive around Umuahia, show you some places in Umuahia. So actually right now we are at Ikotepene Road by Cone Oil, the junction in Cone Oil there. So we are heading towards Abia State Secretariat, and that's it over there. That's the Abia State Secretariat. Please, if this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, so guys, this is Umuahia town. Umuahia is the capital of Abia State. Abia State is a state in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you around some places. Okay, so we are very close to BCA, which is Broadcasting Corporation of Abia State. So we are very close. We are heading towards BCA road now. So guys, this is BCA road. Okay, this is BCA road, and we are heading to Azikiwe road right now. Okay, so this is Azikiwe road. At my back is the Catholic church Mater Dei. Okay, so we just entered another street, and this is Fimbas road, where we have the market square. I'm going to show you the market square in Umuahia. So this is the market square in Umuahia, and this is Fimbas road. Umuahia is not as developed as maybe some other capitals in Nigeria, but it's actually developing little by little. So I'll be showing you some streets inside Umuahia town. For those of you that it's been a long time you saw the streets inside Umuahia town. So this is Lagos Street in Umuahia town. This is Lagos Street. So these streets in Umuahia, this area in Umuahia is mainly for commercial purposes. Like you see structures that are for business, you get pharmacies, you get stores, business, mostly for business. It's not this area I'm passing through is not a residential area, it's business area. In comparison to other cities, Umuahia is a calm place to live with a serene environment. Okay, so this is Ozakoli Street inside Umuahia town. This is Ozakoli Street, Abbey Road, whichever one. Okay, so this is Osa Road, Mission Hill, Umuahia, and this is the place where the 6-lane road expansion and construction is taking place. You can see some heavy duty machines that are working here. Okay, so as you can see, work is going on here, and this place is a little bit dusty. Dry season is setting in. So this road leads to Amachara from the tower heading straight to Amachara. So you can see this is it here. This is Amachara. These are a nursing school and a hospital. Over there you can see the Abia Tower. That's the popular Abia Tower. Okay, so we are back to Mission Hill again. You can see beside the road where the gutter or drainage construction is going on. After I said before that this is the place where the 6-lane road is. So this is we are heading towards Bank Road, Umuahia. That's the Choice restaurant, and we are heading. Okay, so this is Bank Road, Umuahia, where you have the banks. You have all the commercial banks. You get them here in Bank Road. You understand? And it's also opposite is the government house. So you can see for yourself the banks in this area. This is an area where most commercial banks are being concentrated in Umuahia. That's why I think it's called Bank Road. So this is Federal Medical Center, Umuahia. This FMC Umuahia. Previously it was called Queens, and this is Abia State's specialist hospital that was newly renovated by the governor. And this is Aba Road, Umuahia. So now we are heading towards Ishikot. This is Golden Guinea, Umuahia. It is a brewery, where they make drinks, soft drinks. Along Aba Road here, there are a lot of filling stations in this road. So this is ceramics, but I don't think it's no longer in operation. This ceramics. And this is Ishikot, Umuahia. So from Ishikot, we'll be heading to Umuahia and then Obalala. Okay, this is St. Silas, and now we are in Umuahia, and the bit over there is NDE. So we are heading towards Obalala now. So this road from Umuahia to Obalala, once you get to Obalala Junction, you connect to the express road that takes you straight to Aba. I think Aba is 40 minutes or 50 minutes from Obalala Junction. So these are a mini stadium, a field where the youths here in Obakala play ball. And we're very close to Obakala Junction. So these are lock-up stores where people do their businesses. So the signboard and where this car is parked, this is Umuahia South local government headquarters. So like I said before, this is Obakala and we are just at Obakala Junction. We are very close to Obakala. In fact, this is Obakala Junction. So now we're going to take this other route and head towards Umuahia. Umuahia is an autonomous community in Umuahia South local government area. So this express road is called the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express Road. Backwards, you're heading to Abia and then Port Harcourt. But forward, as you are seeing in this video, you bust out in Abia Tower, and then if you continue going straight, you get to Okigwe and then Enugu State. So this express road, this Enugu-Port Harcourt Express Road, is a 4-lane express, 2-lane in the left hand side, another 2-lane on the right hand side. And this is Mechanic Village in Umuahia, where people go and repair their car, get their car fixed. This is Obara Square. And this is I think this is cooperative leading towards gates. So we are close to gate, the popular gates in Umuahia. Okay, this is bend the road, and we are busting out what clock. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon.